Ever wonder why certain cityscapes, particularly at night, explode with a vibrant, almost otherworldly glow? Why do some signs just effortlessly grab your attention, pulling your gaze in like a moth to a flame? It's not magic, it's not just clever design, it's often something far more fundamental and fascinating: neon. For decades, neon has been the undisputed king of advertising illumination. From the iconic dazzling signs of Times Square to the retro glow of a diner's open sign, neon has a captivating presence that few other lighting technologies can replicate. But why neon? What makes this particular noble gas, when zapped with electricity, so perfectly suited for the dazzling demands of advertising? The answer lies in a beautiful blend of physics, aesthetics, and pure, unadulterated visual impact. First, let's talk about that iconic glow. Neon, when energized, emits a brilliant reddish-orange light. This isn't just any red, it's a deep, rich, and highly saturated hue that stands out even in a sea of competing visuals. It's a color that inherently attracts the human eye, a signal of vibrancy and excitement. And here's the clever part: by mixing neon with other noble gases like argon, or by coating the inside of the glass tubes with phosphors, manufacturers can achieve a breathtaking spectrum of colors. Blues, greens, yellows, purples, the possibilities are almost endless, allowing brands to perfectly match their visual identity with a captivating glow. Beyond just color, there's the unique quality of neon light itself. Unlike the harsh, directional beam of an LED or the diffuse glow of a fluorescent tube, neon light has a soft, almost ethereal quality. It disperses evenly, creating a uniform and immersive luminescence that is incredibly appealing. This smooth, continuous line of light allows for intricate designs, flowing scripts, and complex logos to be brought to life with remarkable precision and artistry. Think of the elaborate, hand-bent tubing that forms intricate shapes, each curve and angle meticulously crafted to create a truly unique visual statement. This customizability is a huge draw for advertisers looking for something truly distinctive. Then there's the durability. While seemingly delicate, neon signs are remarkably robust. Encased in sealed glass tubes, the inert gas isn't susceptible to oxidation or degradation like traditional filaments. This means a well-made neon sign can last for decades, providing consistent, eye-catching illumination with minimal maintenance. In the fast-paced world of advertising, longevity and reliability are invaluable assets. And let's not forget the emotional connection. Neon carries a powerful sense of nostalgia and timelessness. It evokes images of classic Americana, bustling urban nights, and a certain retro cool. For many businesses, particularly those in the hospitality and entertainment sectors, this evocative quality is a huge selling point. It's not just a light, it's an atmosphere, a feeling, a piece of history that continues to shine brightly. This inherent charm adds an extra layer of appeal, drawing in customers not just with light, but with a sense of place and experience. So, the next time you see a neon sign cutting through the darkness, remember it's more than just a light source. It's a testament to clever engineering, artistic craftsmanship, and a deep understanding of what truly captures the human gaze. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.